Seine River cruise. Ever wanted to see all of Paris in one breathtaking ride? A Seine River cruise is the answer. Picture this. You're gliding along the gentle waters, the wind in your hair, the city glowing around you. On one side the Eiffel Tower stands tall, on the other, the Louvre's glass pyramid gleams under the sun. The bridges you pass beneath? They're not just stone and steel, they're centuries of history connecting the heart of Paris. Some, like Pont Alexandre III, are so stunning they look like they're straight out of a painting. And if you think daytime cruises are magical, wait till you sail at night. Paris transforms under the stars, the golden lights reflect in the water, the silhouette of Notre-Dame stands against the dark sky, and the Eiffel Tower sparkles like it's winking at you. Feeling romantic? Opt for a dinner cruise and enjoy a glass of wine while drifting through the city of light. Whether you take a casual sightseeing boat or an elegant evening ride, a Seine cruise isn't just a tour, it's a love letter to Paris, written in rippling water and shimmering lights.